Hello and welcome to another edition of Motoring Northwest with me, Mark Stone, and Ken the Cam here at Event City in Manchester. I'm here with David Bond, Managing Director of Footman James, the major sponsor of the Manchester Classic Car Show. David, the one thing about classics is, as time goes by, they fluctuate in value, usage and everything else. Footman James have become a specialist in classic car insurance. What exactly is it you do that makes Footman James different and allows classic car owners to be so confident in coming to you?
Well, Footman James is a insurance broker for the classic vehicles. We've been around for around 30 years, so we've hopefully got a bit of experience. Particularly, we've got a product that tailors the product for the classic individual.